Vibhishan was punished. Hanuman had burnt the whole city, but Ravana got his city rebuilt in one day. His wife Mandodari was now afraid. She pleaded with him to stop the war and return Sita to Rama. Ravana just laughed it off and told Mandodari not to be worried as he would easily defeat Rama and his monkeys. Vibhishan also came to Ravana and, falling at his feet, told him that he should not even look at another person's wife if he wanted fame and fortune in life. Malyavan was a learned minister in Ravana's court. He also told Ravana that Vibhishan's words were true. But this angered Ravana because they were praising his enemy. Ravana told him that he was being a traitor by taking the enemy's side. None had ever defeated him, so he had nothing to fear. Vibhishan then talked to the people of Lanka and warned them that they would soon meet with their nemesis if they supported Ravana. Ravana punished Vibhishan for poisoning the ears of his subjects. He kicked Vibhishan and threw him out of Lanka. Vibhishan was sad that his brother had not listened to his sound words. He decided to go to Rama and serve him. Rama prays to the ocean. Hanuman returned to the seashore where all the monkeys and Jambavan were waiting for him. All were happy at having accomplished the task assigned to them. They all then went to Rama. Rama embraced Hanuman. Hanuman gave him Sita's bangle and message. Hearing his words, Rama's eyes were filled with tears. He was lost in the sweet memories of his wife Sita. Just then Vibhishan reached there. He then told Rama that he had come to Rama for shelter. Rama embraced him as he was a disciplined demon. Vibhishan then suggested Rama to take permission from the ocean and ask for a solution to cross it. Rama, with both palms joined in reverence, sat in deep meditation to pray to the ocean. Rama prayed for 5 days, but the ocean did not give way. Rama got angry and took his bow and arrow. Just then, the sea god appeared and asked for forgiveness. Rama forgave him. The sea god said that he could not dry out to give way to Rama as it supported many living creatures inside it. But he suggested that the monkey generals Nala and Neela could help him. The bridge. After giving instructions to Rama, the sea god greeted him and disappeared. Rama instructed everyone to get into action quickly. Jambavan called both the monkey brothers Nala and Neela. Nala and Neela were the descendants of divine architect Vishwakarma. Jambavan instructed them to construct a bridge over the ocean after remembering the divinity and greatness of Rama. The brothers laid out a plan for the construction of a bridge that would float in the ocean. All the monkeys went inside the surrounding forests and uprooted large trees, collected bamboos, huge rocks and a lot of sand and brought them to Nala and Neela. Nala and Neela suggested that if they wrote Rama's name on them, the heavy boulders would not sink but float in the ocean. All the monkeys began writing Rama's name on each collected material and putting in the ocean for the construction of the bridge. The bridge was soon constructed. The gods happily showered flowers from the heavens. Following Sugriva's instructions, Rama and Lakshman climbed onto Hanuman's and Angad's shoulders respectively. The two brave monkeys carried them across the bridge. Then the huge army of monkeys followed. Some jumped, some screamed, while others danced as they marched on bravely towards Lanka. Rama and the squirrel. As soon as Nala and Neela laid the plan, all the monkeys began building the bridge. Rama, Lakshman and Sugriva watched them happily. Just then, Rama saw a squirrel which was watching everything from its burrow. It was happy at the sight of Lord Rama and his brother Lakshman. It decided to help Rama in the divine job of rescuing Sita and killing Ravana. It began picking up sand and scattered twigs and scurried back and forth from the shore to the sea. Little by little, the squirrel had gathered an entire heap. Then, chanting Lord Rama's name, it rolled over the heap of sand and ran to the end of the bridge to shake off the sand from its back. Rama was pleased at the dedication of this tiny creature. He lovingly picked it up on his palm and caressed it by warmly stroking its back with his 3 fingers. The squirrel received 3 lines on its back. It was pleased with this beautiful gift of Rama. Since then, squirrels have 3 lines on their bodies. These stripes on the backs of Indian squirrels are believed to be the mark of Lord Rama's fingers.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.